we'll be building our scenes, maybe for an event for a program. So let's say it's for a podcast session or for a service, a worship service. So we call our scenes, uh, we call our scene one, we call it say camera one. This becomes our camera one. We call this one our scene two, camera two, call it our scene three, camera three. So that way we have scenes. We have created three scenes for camera production. So we can bring in the cameras. Either we are bringing them in via video capture devices. Is either we are bringing it via video capture devices or via NDI or via Driym OBS, depending on what you want to bring in as your camera sources. So for the purpose of the tutorial, we'll be using images. So you bring your camera one in. Bring your camera two in. And bring your camera three in. So that's done. So now we have created it's in a production for our set. You can add as many things as you want. You can bring in the logos and everything for your specific scene that you want to build. You can, if you decide to add more images to it, you decide to join maybe two sessions. Maybe this will be like full shots, personal shots, solo shots. This is meaning to be like solo shots in the production, and you can now be switching between them by transitioning to each of the scenes. So when you are done with the setup, you can rename it. Can come to scene collection and make sure you press on rename and rename your production. It's usually in untitled, so you rename it to podcast production and click OK, so that anytime you come in, you can just use the production anytime you come in. Thanks for watching. This is Dreym Media Enterprise. Small gear, big production.